I think some of the other things we should be thinking about is all of the other apps that people are developing based on that API. And so like I found a couple that I thought were pretty cool. These are all Chrome extensions. And so this one's WebChatGPT. And so what this does is it integrates the search results with your prompts. And so I had ran one just like as an example that give me 10 ideas for Japanese knives. And so what it does is it goes through the search results and it pulls some sources. And then it came up with these topic ideas based on those sources. I tried Japanese knives and it's like the topics are okay, but they're not that great. And then, they also were factually incorrect, but like these are factually correct. Like, for example, these are actual vegetable knives. So I think moving forward, this is going to be kind of a big thing. Right now, this isn't that great because once you do like your search or whatever, like usually you can just stay in the same conversation and, say like, write me an outline. Like, it still does the web results for that prompt, which is not what I need. Of course, all these apps are really new, but I think this is going to be a big one to keep an eye on, because this seems like this is how it's going to be able to stay up to date real time. And then ChatGPT for Google, basically just like whatever you search, it gives you like a little like ChatGPT answer. It doesn't seem to be all that great yet, but it is interesting. If you compare to like the featured snippet, it doesn't mention all of these, but it's getting there. And then the last one I wanted to share was this one, AIPRM. Basically, it's just like the same ChatGPT, but it gives you SEO prompts. It gives you some prompts for SEO. So like, where's the best place to add a link to your article? I really like this one, the keyword strategy. It kind of clusters the keywords. And then it also gives you intent and it gives example title and description. I mean, you can just like put a bunch of keywords in for keyword intent. There's this keyword cluster again. And in just 2 weeks, they've really updated it a lot. So they have a ton more prompts in here. And then you can also add your own prompts. So there was some in here that I thought were really interesting. The Google My Business posts I thought was interesting. This topical authority one was kind of cool. You just put in a keyword and then it basically just gives you all the article ideas to kind of build the topical authority. I have some pretty good ideas for the one I tested. And then, the Google My Business Q&As. And there was another one for product descriptions. They have a ton of these now, though. And they even have ones like for creating a checklist. They have up here just like a bunch of different target topics for each one. But there really is a lot of these now. It's like 172. You can make your own prompt and then you can make it public. So a lot of those prompts are ones that people just developed. But then there's some of those, I think there's maybe 10 or 20 that the actual people that made the extension, they developed. So if there's like a prompt you use a lot, you can just put it in there and set it up so that, you just have to enter in like the keyword or whatever, and then it'll just do it. I also had made my own just kind of like for doing like a content brief. And it came out better, I would say, because now I can add in like the H1s, the H2s, H3s, and then it gives the information to cover. I think the thing that still will be missing from this is, of course, like anything that could be new or helpful, it's probably not going to have, at least I guess until GPT-4 rolls out, which is supposed to be possibly this first quarter. But I think it did a pretty good job with this content brief. And actually, there also was another content brief that kind of does it like this, but then it also adds like some stuff at the end, like other keywords to include, other topics to cover. So I thought that was pretty cool. And also, I guess I had forgot to show one of these. It was a topic generator, but it's basically like what you wouldn't know about this topic. So I thought that was pretty cool. I thought that was good that they're just updating this so much. And then they have the pro version now, or the premium version. It's $42 a month. But it looks like it's way faster. Then also it gives you that priority where if the servers are overloaded, you still can use it. I had just saw that Microsoft invested like $3 billion, I believe. So it's probably only going to get better.